I remember feeling that shortness of breath, aches in my joints. I would be vaping and thinking to myself, I'm too young to be feeling this. I didn't want to quit. So when I started talking to Jane and realized that there wasn't pressure to quit immediately, that became a huge relief for myself. Jane helped me to be aware of my own usage, and through that, come up with strategies to quit. Jane helped me get connected with free nicotine gum. From there, I started, chewing a couple pieces every day while also vaping. And now at this point, I've entirely quit nicotine. It's very freeing not having to rely on nicotine. Ready to quit? Get free, local, in-person help with quitting. Get free nicotine patches, gum, or lozenges.